I'm going to tell you how to get 1,000 YouTube subscribers in a very short time. Here's how I did it. It's really not that difficult, just a bit time consuming. So I started a brand new channel 13 days ago. Yesterday I hit 1,086 subscribers. That's in just 13 days, guys. You can do it also. Here's how I managed to hit that magic number. Purely with my own puzzle shorts that I made. Don't steal others, make your own. Here's examples. So let's take a look at what you need. You obviously need an editor. I use InShot. You also need a background eraser. Lastly, you need a search engine. I use Google. So firstly, you need to think about what you want to show your viewers. It can be any image or characters, but remember you need 4 images of the same thing. Let me show you what I mean. I searched for a red square with a face. Then I found 3 more different colours. Next, I use a background eraser. I remove the background from each colour. This changes them into what they call a PNG, and that is what we will use to make the puzzle. Next, we will cut each colour in half using the background eraser. You are now ready. You have all the things to make your puzzle. So you can now start making your Can You Pause puzzle in InShot or whichever editor you prefer. Once you have made it, apply your music and upload it as a short. Don't forget, 59 seconds is the maximum time for a short. Just a hint, not many watch for 59 seconds. If it's a Can You Pause short, make it 3 to 5 seconds only. In my next video, I will record myself making a Can You Pause puzzle using these coloured squares. Remember, make it yourself, don't take others, as YouTube might ban you altogether. Good luck in hitting that magic number, 1,000 subscribers. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching.